During yesterday's trading session, the US dollar managed to recoup Friday's losses caused by worries over the spread of the coronavirus and its damage to the world economy. The US dollar index, which measures the strength of the greenback against a basket of 6 major currencies, returned to the levels of the last week's session. Now it's attempting to reach the level of 98.00. The American currency gained ground amid strong macroeconomic data, which showed a rise in the ISM manufacturing index. Purchasing managers' index surged up to 50.9 in January, surpassing the forecast value. The reading above 50 indicates a growth in manufacturing activity. What's more, the US dollar advanced after China's central bank injected 1.2 trillion yuan of liquidity into the markets. The government of China is trying to support the economy, easing investors' fears about the upcoming slowdown in the Chinese and US economies. During yesterday's emergency meeting, China also pledged to take all measures to combat the coronavirus, including material aid and the supply of all necessary medical means to reduce the number of infection and death. The dollar-yuan pair also gained momentum against such a background. The pair came close to the resistance level at 109.10. However, in the medium term, risk of sentiment will prevail, so the dollar-yuan pair is unlikely to rise above the level of 109.10. This is why it may resume the downward movement. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar is recovering. The Reserve Bank of Australia unexpectedly decided to leave its key rate unchanged at 0.75%. The Aussie grew by 45 pips against the US dollar. Nevertheless, this may be a short-term trend as the Australian economy cannot boast of strong economic fundamentals. Besides, it's weighed down by the damage caused by the fires at the beginning of the year and weak data on China's manufacturing sector, so its upward movement is most likely just a short-term rise. The Aussie is expected to roll back to the level of 0.6690 and edge lower to 0.6640. Tomorrow, the head of the Reserve Bank of Australia, Philip Lowe, will deliver a speech that determines the future trajectory of the Australian currency. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.